Ever wondered how to make a woman miss you so deeply that she can't stop thinking about you? Look no further. In this video, we've carefully crafted the ultimate guide to help you capture her attention and make her yearn for your presence. You'll discover powerful techniques, proven strategies, and key insights to build a strong emotional connection. We'll reveal the secrets to creating an irresistible aura, building anticipation, and leaving a lasting impression she won't be able to forget. Dive into the psychology of attraction, communication, and emotional bonding as we explore how authenticity, genuine connections, and a touch of mystery can make you unforgettable. Whether you want to reignite the passion in your current relationship or win over someone new, this video will equip you with the tools to make her miss you like never before. Get ready to transform your love life and become the man who's always on her mind. Have you ever wondered how to make a woman miss you in such a profound way that she can't help but yearn for your presence? If so, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll share 7 powerful strategies to leave a lasting impression and make her think about you constantly. Whether you're in a committed relationship or just starting to connect with someone new, these tips will help you create an emotional pull that's impossible to ignore. First and foremost, avoid contacting her. The first and most important step is to avoid constantly chasing or contacting her. When you're always the one initiating conversations, she doesn't get the chance to miss you. By stepping back and limiting your communication, you create space for curiosity to grow. She'll begin to wonder why you're not reaching out and start imagining what you might be doing. This distance not only keeps you on her mind, but also ignites her imagination. She may begin to picture you with other women or living your life independently, which can spark a bit of jealousy. This emotional reaction works to your advantage because it makes her realize how much she values your presence. By demonstrating that you're not reliant on her for your happiness, you show strength and independence, qualities that are incredibly attractive. Psychologically, this no-contact approach is effective because it taps into the human response to rejection. When someone perceives that they might be losing you, their brain activates regions associated with motivation, reward, and craving. This makes her want to reconnect with you even more. Show off your vibrant life. A woman who misses you will often check your social media to see what you've been up to. If she finds no updates, she might assume you're not doing much, which can dampen her interest. Instead, post about your achievements, hobbies, or fun experiences. You don't have to overdo it. Simple, meaningful updates are enough to pique her curiosity and remind her of the excitement you bring to life. For example, share a photo from a recent trip, a night out with friends, or a personal milestone. This lets her see that you're thriving and enjoying life even without her presence. Women love feeling connected to a man who has a full, exciting life. By showcasing your independence and happiness, you make her feel like she's missing out on being part of your journey. Drive her crazy with curiosity. When you stop reaching out, she might attempt to grab your attention indirectly. She could post an attractive photo, share a status that hints at her feelings, or try other subtle ways to get you to notice her. While it might be tempting to react, resist the urge. Don't like her pictures or comment on her posts. This lack of response will leave her wondering why you're not paying attention. By ignoring these attention-seeking behaviors, you maintain control of the dynamic and keep her guessing. The mystery of whether or not you're noticing her actions will make her more eager to hear from you. Curiosity is a powerful tool in attraction, and by withholding validation, you increase her desire to reconnect. Be more mysterious. When she finally does reach out, don't be overly eager or excited to hear from her. Respond calmly and keep your tone neutral. Avoid giving her the impression that you've been waiting by the phone for her message. Instead, maintain an air of mystery by keeping your replies brief but polite. A simple "Hey, how are you?" is enough to acknowledge her without revealing too much. Being mysterious keeps her intrigued and makes her want to learn more about what's going on in your life. Over-enthusiasm can come across as desperate, which is a major turn-off. By remaining composed, you show her that you're confident and not overly dependent on her attention. Evoke a sense of jealousy. A little jealousy can go a long way in making her miss you. This doesn't mean you should intentionally hurt her feelings or create unnecessary drama, but subtle actions can remind her that you have other options. For instance, post a picture with friends that includes other women or tag someone in a post. Even a light-hearted comment about spending time with someone else can make her take notice. These small gestures show that your life is full of possibilities and that you're not solely focused on her. This realization can spark a competitive instinct, making her want to reclaim her spot in your life. It's not about manipulation, but demonstrating that you're a high-value individual with a lot to offer. 2. Create emotional triggers. Giving her a unique nickname is an excellent way to stay on her mind. Choose something meaningful and relevant to her interests, like her favorite food, hobby, or a shared joke. Every time she hears that nickname, it will remind her of you and the connection you share. This psychological principle, known as associative memory, helps reinforce positive thoughts about you. For example, if she loves chocolate, calling her Choco creates a fun and personal association. The key is to pick something she's likely to encounter in her daily life, ensuring that thoughts of you are never far away. Be a guide and mentor. Women are naturally drawn to men who can teach them something new or offer valuable guidance. Sharing your knowledge or introducing her to new experiences shows confidence, competence, and care. Whether it's helping her learn a new skill, recommending a great book, or sharing your insights on a topic she's curious about, these moments create a strong emotional bond. When she sees you as someone who adds value to her life, she'll feel a deeper connection and miss the impact you have on her personal growth. This quality is highly attractive and leaves a lasting impression. Encourage her independence. Finally, give her the freedom to pursue her own interests and passions. Supporting her independence shows that you respect her individuality and value her personal growth. This balance prevents the relationship from feeling suffocating and gives her time to reflect on the importance of your presence. When you encourage her to explore her own hobbies and goals, it strengthens the bond between you. At the same time, the space you create allows her to miss you and appreciate the time you spend together even more. By understanding the psychology of attraction and focusing on building emotional connections, you can make any woman miss you deeply. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insights in our next video.